Hey there, you're invited to a seminar here at Eco Panels of Tennessee. We're going to be putting on a seminar August 23rd so you can learn about structural insulated panels. Right now we're building someone's home in the background here in our shop. We'd love for you to come here and tour the shop. We'll talk all things SIPs that morning, some details around what the process is, how to build a SIP home. You'll get to go through and see how they're built, how we shoot the foam. You'll get to see more than likely a house setup in our shop where we do the quality control setup. So it's a good fun day. We want it to be educational for you. So we're going to feed you lunch while you're here because in Hermitage Springs there's really nothing, there's nowhere to go get lunch. So we're going to feed you and just really try to help you learn as much as you can about SIPs. We want you to have a home that is energy efficient and saves you on your electric bill month after month for the life of the home. And this is where it starts. So come see us at our seminar in August and just give us a call, jump on our website to register, and we'll get you signed up.